Hi, Assalamualaikum. Today we use the Jmag designer to create a geometry editor for the single phase machine. So the first step, we need to click this part, and then the output is the grid form, and then we right click and then click the properties. So at here we can type an example, rotor, and we can choose the color. So I choose the yellow one, and then this the circle. We just click here and just randomly click, and we can set the radius here. So for example, I use 10.14. So there it is. So the first circle of the rotor, and then we can click one, click the circle, and then just randomly click. I put 20.14. So we can zoom in, and then we click the line here. Alright, and then we can trim for a better result. Just click here, then click here, and then click here. So this is the first part of the rotor, and there's many part we can use, such as stator, permanent, and many more. So I want to here, and then we can create a region. After that, we apply. So the color here is the green. Okay, and then I want to show how we want to mirror it. Just to copy, and then we create a region mirror copy, and then we merge the regions, and then we click here, and then there we go. That is the half part of a rotor. So, and there's many steps I have done, and then this is the example of what I've done, whereas this is the complete rotor, permanent magnet, which is 2, and we know that the rotor and the permanent magnet, it usually move together in a rotation. So this is a stator with a cyan color, and that is a 4 part of armature coil. And then after we done, there is a toolbox. It's a toolbox. So and here there is a toolbox which we choose to apply into it. So like the rotor here, we use 35H210, and the permanent Neomax 35, and the stator here same, just like the rotor, and the armature coil we use is a copper. And then after done, here we make a circuit as required. On this armature coil, we put the coil set which has turn 10s, and this is the circuit. So like this, it has 10 turns, and here we got 10 turns. So after done, we click mesh and we generate it. Okay, before I click the mesh, I want to close this toolbox. Okay, like here, I want to explain again about the circuit. When we view the circuit, so this coil and this coil were connected to a ground. So when after we sketch this circuit, we can just close it, and next we click a mesh and then we generate it. So after done, we click at the study here, right click and run active cases. This run analysis will show that our machine is running rightly or not. So they have 37 current steps. It takes time. Okay, so we can click on the result here. So we can choose other, we want to see the new counter plot like here. So we want to watch the magnetic flux density, and then we use the smooth color and then just click OK here, and we can watch it from here. So if we want to run it, but before that we can also choose the new vector plot, and also we want to see the magnetic flux density, and it has many types. So sometimes we can use wire, but I want to use cone, so we can see the flow. So we just run. Yes, this is for the vector plot and this is for the contour plot. So here we can see the magnetic flow from the maximum to the minimum in a rotation. So here we got 37 steps. So done. So that's all. And I want to show the 3D part. This is the 3D part. So we can watch from here. We also can watch how the machine rotation. So that's all from me. Thank you.